Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to print a web page in Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Navigate to the web page you want to print. Click on the three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Select Print. Click the Destination drop-down menu and choose the printer. Click the Page drop-down menu and select the pages you want to print. Enter the number of copies you want. Click on the Layout drop-down menu and choose whether you want to print in portrait mode or landscape mode. Click on the Color drop-down menu and choose whether you want to print in color or black and white format. Click on More settings to change additional settings. When you are happy with the preview, click on Print. This is how you can print a web page in Google Chrome. Thank you for watching.